Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Amazon Music keeps stopping, auto off, battery saver, streaming quality and cache fix. Fix 1. Clear the app cache. For Android, you have to open your phone setting and tap on the apps or apps and notification. Then select Amazon Music, then tap on storage or storage and cache. Then you have to tap on clear cache. Do not tap on clear data or you will delete downloaded songs. For iPhone, open your Amazon Music app and tap on the gear icon setting in the top right corner. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on the clear cache option. Fix to disable battery optimization. For Android, you just have to long press the Amazon Music icon and tap on App Info icon. Then tap on the battery or battery usage. Then change the setting to restricted or do not optimize. For iPhone, open your iPhone setting, tap on battery. Then you just have to turn off the low power mode. Fix 3. Change streaming quality. Open your Amazon Music app and tap on the gear icon setting in the top right. Then you have to tap on music setting, select streaming quality, change it from HD or Ultra HD to standard or space saver. Fix 4. Turn off sleep timer. Open your Amazon Music app, tap on the gear icon setting in the top right, then tap on settings, scroll down to find a sleep timer. Make sure toggled is turned off. Thanks for watching.